Okay, hello guys. Today I wanna share you about RDS. What is RDS and how you create, manage, and operate the RDS. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, RDS concept. RDS database service. RDS relational database service. RDS is managed reliable database service that is simple to deploy, easy to scale, reliable, and cost effective. RDS is support for MySQL, MariaDB, SQL Server, and Postgre. RDS concept, a managed service. With RDS, you only have to manage your database and your application layer. So you don't need to worry about uh, how to manage your operating system, your hardware, your resource, because that is managed full by the Alibaba. Okay, RDS concept trade-off. Basically, when we are using the traditional way, we must prepare hardware, install OS, install database software, configuration, and tweaking. It takes 3 to 5 hours. But when we are using the RDS concept, we only need under 10 minutes to create RDS. RDS concept is PIS, platform and as service. So, like runtime, middleware, operating system, virtualization, server, storage, networking, is the handled by the Alibaba. So we don't need to worry about that. RDS concept, EIS versus PIS. If we use the ECS, we must uh, we must figure out what its application, what the data, runtime, middleware application. But with RDS, we don't need to think about that again. That's handled by Alibaba. The only thing that we have to concern is our application layer and data. RDS concept service architecture is complex, but it's for our security and performance of the RDS. RDS Instant. An RDS Instant is a database service running on virtual computing environment. The environment is transparent to the user. We can decide what the database engine that we want, CPU, how much CPU, how much memory, how much storage that we need, and what the network capability of the RDS Instant. Instant, how to choose. RDS Instant is have uh, basically have three types, like basic edition. In basic edition, we only have one master, one master database, and one node. So if the database failed, we must backup manually from our backup schedule. This is the very high cost effective price for for high availability edition. There's two node. It's master's database and slave database. So if the master failed, that will synchronize to the slave database. And for the enterprise edition, there is three node that have one master database, and there's two slave database that the three node is synchronized. For the cluster edition is available for SQL Server 2017 only. we don't discuss this. Okay. Instant Basic Edition Phase Edition. The Basic Edition contains only one node and has no slave node for fault recovery, half the price, and the High Ability Edition. High Ability Edition. Two instances in the same or different zone with automatic data synchronized, automatic failover. For student, I suggest you using the Basic Edition for development and for testing. You can use the Basic Edition. Okay, RDS feature. RDS have automatic backup and manually backup. Automatic backup, we can set up schedule uh, on the minutes of RDS instance. Like you can see this picture. There's data retention, backup circle, next backup, log backup, and log retention. How long we keep that files on our storage. And manual backup, you can also backup RDS data at any time using manual backup. Manual backup support both physically backup or logical backup. RDS instant backup file is you get 50% free. If your storage like 10 gigabytes, you will get free 5 gigabytes. And then the 5 gigabytes you will charge by the Alibaba Cloud. So RDS also have monitoring tools so that you can monitoring your RDS like CPU utilization, how much storage, how much memory that use, and many more. Okay, RDS security. AWS provide three-level security defense system to protect database against security threats. There's anti-DDoS, there's IP whitelist configuration, and then they have a web application firewall. And also there's you can audit that how who read, who update, who delete your database. Okay, let's now we demo create an ADS instance. First, you go to the alibabacloud.com and then you are logging to your account. Then on the right here, there's a console. You can click and then okay, and then you will go to the console like this, and then you can search RDS and enter a keyword RDS. There is Apsara DB RDS. You click this and then you will go to this page and then you can click create to create RDS instance and then you can choose billing method that you want like subscription, pay-as-you-go or serverless, and then you must choose your region. Your region is in Indonesia in Jakarta. And then you can choose your database engine what would you like to use like this. There is MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, and Microsoft SQL Server. For this demo I use MySQL with the version is 8.0. And then you can select your instance type like you want to use a basic edition, high availability edition, and cluster edition. Okay, and then you will choose your network type, PVC, Edward disk, any. I use default. I use the default from the Alibaba Cloud RDS gitu. And then you can your instance CPU you use. And then you can see this. You have storage capacity like one 10 gigabytes to uh, 64,000 gigabyte. This is in this I use 10 gigabytes, and then this is the config for the port, database, and parameter. I usually use the default from Alibaba. Okay, and then this is uh, quantity that you can see for your billing price. Okay, after click pay, you will get this order complete. You will wait 3 to 5 minutes, so the instant has been created. And then when the instant is created, you can see this is the instant that you have created today. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Uh, I hope this is can make you all understand what is RDS about. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.